Welcome back to RV World, where freedom meets the road, and every journey feels like home. If you're dreaming of a life that's rich in adventure but light on square footage, today's episode is just for you. We're diving into what it means to truly live big in a small camper, featuring the incredible 2026 tiny house on wheels that's turning heads and changing lives. For those who think small means sacrifice, think again. The 2026 tiny house camper brings innovation, comfort, and intelligent design into a space that's not just livable, but lovable. Whether you're a weekend explorer, full-time traveler, or just dreaming of a minimalist lifestyle, this tiny camper redefines what it means to live large in a compact space. Let's start with the big picture, literally. This 2026 model sits on a lightweight but heavy-duty trailer frame that makes it towable with most midsize SUVs and pickups. It measures around 18 feet long, 8 feet wide, and just over 10 feet tall, offering a surprisingly spacious interior thanks to clever layout choices and multifunctional furniture. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the abundance of natural light. Large double-pane windows line both sides of the camper, flooding the interior with sunshine and giving a panoramic view of your surroundings. Whether you're parked in the mountains, forest, or beside the ocean, this camper makes you feel like you're still part of the outdoors, even when you're cozy inside. The living area features a convertible sofa lounge that transforms into a queen-size bed with just a few easy adjustments. Beneath the couch, there's built-in storage for bedding, clothing, or even small gear. The backrest folds flat, and in seconds, your living room becomes a sleeping sanctuary. Now let's talk about the kitchen, because no one should have to settle for gas station snacks on the road. This tiny camper features a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet, a compact fridge-freezer combo, and even a microwave tucked away in a sleek cabinet. The butcher block-style countertop offers plenty of space to prepare meals, and the modular upper shelves are perfect for storing spices, utensils, and cookware. And yes, there's even room for a dining area. A stowaway table folds out from the wall, complete with 2 collapsible chairs. It's ideal for meals, laptop work, or game nights on rainy evenings. Moving further back, you'll find one of the most impressive features for such a compact unit, the wet bath. With waterproof wall panels, a high-efficiency showerhead, and a composting toilet, this camper ensures you stay clean and comfortable without needing to depend on campground facilities. There's even a built-in fan and skylight for ventilation and natural light, which adds a real touch of luxury to this tiny bath setup. One area where this camper truly shines is storage. Every inch has been optimized. From underfloor compartments to overhead cabinets and even slide-out drawers hidden in the steps leading up to the loft, you'll never run out of room for essentials. There's a hanging wardrobe, hidden pantry drawers, and even a shoe rack tucked by the door. Let's not forget about tech and power. The 2026 tiny house on wheels is built for off-grid and on-grid living alike. Equipped with a solar power package, it includes roof-mounted solar panels feeding into a lithium-ion battery bank and a smart inverter. USB ports, 110 volts outlets, and wireless charging pads are strategically placed around the interior. Climate control. You got it. With a built-in mini-split system, you've got heating and air conditioning to keep things cozy year-round. One of the most unexpected luxuries in this model is the entertainment setup. Wall-mounted smart TV, Bluetooth speakers, and optional Starlink satellite internet ensure that whether you're working remotely or binging your favorite series, you're always connected and entertained. From a design standpoint, this camper blends modern minimalism with cozy, rustic touches. Light wood tones, matte black fixtures, and soft LED lighting create a calming vibe. It feels less like a camper and more like a stylish studio apartment, on wheels. And while the inside is impressive, the exterior doesn't hold back either. The 2026 tiny house is built with a fiberglass composite shell, making it both lightweight and incredibly durable. It's weather-resistant, insulated for all seasons, and designed to last. The fold-down outdoor awning creates an instant patio, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or watching the stars at night. So, who's this camper really for? If you're new to the RV lifestyle and want something compact yet complete, it's a perfect starting point. If you're a digital nomad or remote worker, this rolling home offers everything you need for both productivity and peace. And if you're downsizing or pursuing a more intentional lifestyle, this camper makes minimalism not only practical, but luxurious. Let's face it, living big isn't about square footage. It's about living well. It's about maximizing your freedom, minimizing your stress, and discovering how little you actually need to live a full, joyful life. With the 2026 Tiny House on Wheels, you get the best of all worlds: comfort, style, mobility, and sustainability. So whether you're dreaming of weekend escapes, life on the open road, or simply want to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and go wherever the road takes you, this camper proves you don't have to go big to live big. Thanks for tuning into RV World. If you loved this walkthrough of the 2026 Tiny House on Wheels, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss another adventure-ready review. Got questions or ideas for what we should feature next? Drop them in the comments. We love hearing from fellow RV dreamers like you. Until next time, keep your wheels rolling and your spirit wild. This is RV World, where every mile is a memory.